Welcome to our exploration of the Great Pyramids of Giza. Today, we delve into the fascinating claim that these ancient wonders were originally coated in white limestone and capped with 24-karat gold. The Great Pyramids of Giza, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world, were not always as we see them today. Historical evidence suggests they were originally coated in white limestone and capped with 24-karat gold. Throughout history, many pyramids had capstones made of various materials, including limestone, sandstone, basalt, or granite. Some were even covered with copper, gold, or electrum. In 2019, Budget Direct published a digital reconstruction showing the pyramids with white limestone and a gold peak. This image gained further attention in a Reddit post in 2022. John Darnell, an Egyptologist, confirmed that the Great Pyramid of Giza was constructed with limestone casing stones, which would have appeared brilliantly white when freshly cut. The Great Pyramid of Giza was built with around 2.3 million blocks of stone, consisting of roughly 5.5 million tons of limestone and 8,000 tons of granite. By the 19th century, most casing stones had been removed for other building work, but some can still be seen at the base of the pyramid. While there is no longer a pyramidion on the Great Pyramid of Giza, experts believe it could have been covered in gold or electrum. In conclusion, the Great Pyramids of Giza were likely coated in white limestone and capped with gold, creating a stunning visual effect. If you'd like to see parts of ancient Egypt as they appear in the 21st century, you can take a digital tour of the Pyramids of Giza using Google Maps.